In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite in Metabase. If you manage dashboards or data access in Metabase, bringing teammates into the right workspace is essential. I'll walk you through the exact path to send an invite, explain what you'll see on each screen, and share a few tips so the process is smooth the first time. Start by opening your organization's Metabase site in a web browser and sign in with an account that has admin privileges. Without admin access, you won't be able to manage users. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon or the settings option. That's where all the administrative tools live. Click settings to open the menu. You'll see a range of options for configuring your instance. From here, choose admin settings. This takes you into the admin area, which is where you control data connections, permissions, and people. If you don't see admin settings, double check that you're logged in with the correct role. Inside the admin area, select People. This is the central place for user management in Metabase. On this page, you can review who already has access, what groups they're in, and which roles they hold. It's a good moment to think about the access your new teammate will need because you can assign it during the invite. Next, click Invite Someone. Metabase will open a simple form for adding a new person. Have their work email ready and decide which groups or permissions fit their responsibilities. Groups help you grant access consistently, so choose the one that matches how they'll use dashboards, collections, and data sources. If your organization uses single sign-on, you can still send the invite so their account is created and linked when they first sign in. When everything looks correct, click Create. To finalize the invitation, Metabase will send an email to the person you added with instructions to join and set up their account. After they accept, they'll land in your workspace with the groups and permissions you selected, and they can start exploring dashboards right away. If the invitation email doesn't show up after a short while, have them check their spam or junk folder and confirm that the address was entered correctly. You can always return to the people page later to view their status once they've joined. That's it. Open Metabase, go to Settings, enter Admin Settings, choose People, pick Invite Someone, and click Create. Keep your invites organized by using groups thoughtfully, and remember that only admins